All right, so next we've got the switch box with the tin in it, and we're just gonna hold it in one hand and then mark it, and then reward when she sticks your nose in there. Yes. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Just like before, we can move where we put it. We can put it out to the side. Yes. Good job. We can put it, we can throw it, and then we can put it down. Yes. Good girl. Nice job. And we can work on endurance. Yes. Nice job. She's looking at April instead. Yes. Good girl. Yes. Good girl, Ona. There's a turtle on there. Yes. Nice job. Yes, good girl. April put her nose in it. You're too funny. Oh, man.